In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create automated emails for Zoho workflows. By the end, you'll have a workflow in Zoho CRM that sends an email automatically, like a birthday greeting, on a schedule you define, so you can keep relationships warm without manual effort. Start on your Zoho CRM homepage. If your layout looks a little different, don't worry. Zoho updates the interface from time to time, but the options we'll use are consistent. From here, click on Settings. You'll find the gear icon near the top of the page. This opens the admin area where all the automation tools live. In the Settings page, navigate to the Automation section. That's where you'll control triggers and actions across modules like contacts, leads, and deals. Now click on Workflow Rules. This is the hub for setting conditions and telling Zoho what to do when those conditions are met. Click on Create Rule to begin building a new workflow. First, choose which part of the CRM this rule belongs to. Click on the Module dropdown and pick Contacts. That tells Zoho the records we're targeting. Give your rule a clear identity. Type in a rule name you'll recognize later, and then type in a description so teammates know exactly what it does and why. Good naming now saves confusion down the line. When you're ready, click on Next. You'll now define when this rule should run. Click on Execute this workflow rule based on, then select the option that uses a date/time field. This is perfect for time-based messages like renewal reminders or birthdays. Next, click on which date/time field this rule should execute. From the list of available fields, click on Date of Birth. Make sure your date of birth field is a proper date field and that it's populated for the contacts you care about. Otherwise, no email can be scheduled for those records. Because birthdays recur, click on Recur. Then choose Every Year. This ensures the workflow doesn't just fire once. It repeats annually on each contact's date. When those timing details look right, click on Next to continue. For the audience, you'll see options to narrow down who qualifies. To keep this simple and inclusive, click on All Contacts. If later you want to limit this to, say, only active customers or specific regions, you can refine criteria here, but for now, All Contacts ensures every contact with a date gets the message. Click on Done to confirm the criteria. Now let's add what happens when the rule triggers. In the Actions area, click on Instant Actions. These fire immediately at the scheduled time. Choose Email Notification. This tells Zoho to send an email when the condition is met. You'll be prompted to configure the notification. Type in a name for this email action. Something descriptive like birthday email makes it easy to find later. Then click on Select Template. Pick the email template you've already prepared for this occasion. Templates can include merge fields like the contact's first name to personalize the message. If you don't see the template you want, create one beforehand in the Email Templates section so it's ready to select here. When the right template is chosen, click on Save and Associate to link it to this workflow action. Finally, save the workflow itself. Click on Save. That's it. Your automated email is live. From now on, when a contact's date of birth comes around, the system will send your chosen email automatically every year to all contacts who meet the criteria. A few quick best practices as you finish up. Make sure your organization's email configuration is verified so messages deliver from the correct address. Double-check time zone settings in your CRM, since that affects when emails go out on the date you selected. If you have sending limits or compliance requirements, ensure your template includes appropriate branding and an unsubscribe link where needed. And remember, the quality of your data drives the result. Keeping date of birth accurate and complete will maximize your reach. You now have a dependable, recurring workflow that nurtures contacts with zero manual work. Great job setting it up.